Our buzz is here in Langley. We just helped one of our clients move into their new condo coming in from Toronto.
Yes.
So
Yep.
we drove them around, helped them get settled in, and so now we're heading back.
Yep. Heading back and we'll go get something economical to eat, and we'll surprise you with what that is later.
Exactly. Okay, stay tuned.
Yep. See you soon.
Okay, so we are in one of our favorite spots here in Coquitlam. As you can see, it's IKEA.
Yep.
So
And you know why we're here? Probably not why most people come to IKEA. So we're here for food.
exactly, exactly.
We didn't put this on our favorite spots list, I don't think, but
We should have.
a lot of people come here for the food actually. So
Exactly.
pretty good food for the price, good value. So you know what? If you're in the area, you need something to eat, you want to spend a lot of money, and you want something decent,
Healthy. Yep.
pretty healthy, yeah.
Yeah.
Compared to a lot of things, come to IKEA. You don't have to shop, but
No.
if you want to go shopping, of course, IKEA always has lots of stuff. So, but it's kind of a staple here in Coquitlam, in the middle of everything. 10 minutes to Burnaby, Surrey, Port Moody, all that. So yeah, good place to gather and have something to eat. So we're
Exactly.
gonna go inside.
Let's go
and have
inside.
a bite.
Yeah, let's see what's inside.
All right.
So we got cod balls and falafel balls. Both are plant-based. So we're trying to eat healthy, both of us.
Yep. Our team manager is trying to make us healthy.
That's why. Jaden, this is because of you. So
Yes.
thank you.
Yep.
Okay, let's dig in.
Yep. And all this for $18. Not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not
That's why we love eating here.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Let's dig in.
Yep.